Welcome to July 7th. Drought-tolerant red-hot poker, a favorite of hummingbirds, flourishes in zones 5 to 9 and prefers a site in full sun with well-draining soil. I see these around Coos Bay. They are absolutely beautiful, and I love to see them next to hardscaping like tables or walls. They really stand out. Well, it is fairly late in the season. The greenhouse hasn't been used for a little while. I shut all the lights off. The galangal is alive. It's alive. I gotta do some stuff today, like get the potato done. Little lobelias. It is cloudy today, and it is not supposed to be sunny at all. Ooh, do I have babies? I have babies. Look at this. Baby wheat. I know it's very late in the season to be planting wheat, but since I do have a greenhouse, it'll be just fine. It's also got some Merlot lettuce and some quinoa over there, and I'll be planting more. The deck is quite full with lots of stuff. And the strip down there is very full. Very full. We'll see a little bit of that in just a while. Well, it's time. It is time to see if the red potatoes actually produced anything at all. Oop. Oh. Yeah. I'll lean against her. All right. Let's see. I feel some lumps and bumps, but I can't tell if the lumps and bumps are from potatoes or roots. Here we go. Oh, well, this does not exactly bode well, does it? Oh, check it out. Yeah, I do see potatoes. Oh, nice, yeah. There we go. Lots of little ones. This is about the size that they're supposed to be in the store. There we go. Teeny tiny ones. Teeny tiny ones. Another big one. Oop. Yeah. Oh, yeah, handfuls. Handfuls. Oh, one more. Is that it? Ah, another big one. That's rotten one. That is pretty much it. So here we go. That's what I got out of one container. This isn't too bad for a for an initial attempt at red potatoes. For just a couple of store-bought potatoes that that really didn't look good for eating, and I just stuck them in a bag. This totally worth it. And all this potting soil, I can reuse it. This is time to go scrub these up and see what I can make with them. Let's take a look out here, shall we? Hello, corn. Come on, get. There we go. Ooh. Here we go. Ooh, mint. Hello, zucchini. Zucchini all covered with ants. That's okay. I have a baby right there, and it's growing fast. Good. Peppers have flowers. You're a good pepper. Ah, even more peppers over here. Poblano. Ah, and my disappointments. Look at this. How many flowers? And not a tomato to be seen there. The grape, which should have this should have hundreds of tomatoes on it by now. Lots and lots of flowers, no tomatoes. It has not been hot. Oh, I see a tomato. I see a little tomato there, and I see a little tomato there. So we are showing improvement. I better do another wrap. How's the beefsteak doing? That's my one beefsteak tomato. It's doing good. I don't even know if this one's gonna make this. This is oh my goodness. I can't remember what it is. This is the Martian. So the Martian is always kind of odd. It always grows in these contorted positions, and it always seems to have leaf curl. There's nothing actually wrong with it. Hello, little spider. There's nothing actually wrong with it. It's well watered. Yep. Okay. Yeah. Still got water. Still got water, and it's fed. It just seems to grow really weird, and there are no tomatoes on it either. This is yeah, the grape. This should be the cherry. Should be the cherry, right? Yeah, this is the super sweet cherry, which is only now just starting to produce tomatoes. No grape tomatoes on this yet. Wow, I am amazed. I'm going to put another wrap of string on these just to preserve my walkway. Oh, marigold's going nuts, isn't it? You're big and beautiful. I love you. Even the butternut is behaving itself. Look, it's going up. It's going up exactly the way it is supposed to. Good baby. My one failure, miserable failure, and unfortunately it's starting to grow again, is the melon. This is the little melon that produces very small sweet melons. It's called a sugar baby melon, and for the longest time it didn't grow at all, and now it's actually starting to grow leaves and grow upward. Yeah, you got plenty of water. You're okay. But it's not growing fast enough. I think that's because we don't have enough sunshine. It's terrible. We don't have enough sunshine. Well, at least I'm going to get corn. And I have so many peas, I don't even know where I'm going to put them all.